Okay, we start a little to work, and the old problem what was before was this one is gonna stop on lock or lock, depends, and stop working. Let's see what I mean. To understand better, you need to focus on here. You see, it's already stopped working. All the car is doing, but this one stays locked. Okay, now we're gonna do a small test. Install the new one. It's right here, just to do a quick test and see if this is the problem. What we're gonna do, just connect. Leave it like that, and you need to look here. It's gonna be up and down. I'll do it 5 times. If it's doing okay, that means this was a problem. I need to replace just the actual motor. Okay, we are sure this is the problem. What we need to do, just to replace. I'll give you a thumbs up with everything what I'm doing, just in a little bit.